In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to uninstall NinjaTrader inside of your PC. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to revo.uninstaller.com. From here you'll need to go over to downloads, and don't worry, this is completely free. So from here you'll need to click right here, Revo Uninstaller, and click free download. From here you'll need to open up Revo Uninstaller, so it ends up something like this. Now from here you'll need to go up to the search bar and click in NinjaTrader like so. From here you'll need to right click on it and click uninstall. Now from here it'll be asking, are you sure that you want to uninstall the selected program, and you'll just click continue. From here you can see creating system restore point, and it is scanning automatically. This can take up to a couple minutes to do so I'll be back once this is done. As you can see now, that it's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to uninstall this product? But you can also see that it's analyzing has started the program built-in uninstaller, and after the program's uninstaller, it'll ask you if you want to have it moderated, saved, or at advanced. From here, you'll just need to click yes. And as you can see here, now NinjaTrader will be uninstalled from your PC. And as you can see, time remaining. And now you can click scan, either advanced scan, moderate scan, or save scan to check if everything has been uninstalled from NinjaTrader. This can also take a couple minutes, but as you can see here, it has found some programs that you can just click right here and then click next. And then are you sure you want to click yes and click finish. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!